do for crumbs. I do mine for me, you see. Not the big homie double OG. Scared to do your own work, man, that's fact. And that's the reason why I had to shoot you down, because you never should've tried to work my dog. And the little homie wouldn't have had no reason to fall. Y'all know the game ain't the same no more. Lil G's keep peaks, so big G's freeze G's. Johnny Rockefeller went to Jella few times too many and became a teller. They sell a nigga dreams if you want them, but they won't say it.